Hey guys, welcome back to Salty Pines Farm. Today we're going to be planting strawberry planter box out of pallets.
We're going to be making strawberry planter boxes.
Planter boxes.
Yeah, out of pallets.
Okay.
So follow along.
Let's go.
Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Salty Pines Farm. Today we're going to be making planter boxes for strawberries out of wooden pallets. So we're going to be making something like this. So what we're doing is we're taking just some old pallets we found, and we're putting landscape fabric. Here, show them this one right here. We're putting landscape fabric on one side underneath it. We're stapling it on the sides. You could either staple it, or we had some old box of roofing nails. We just used that, staple it around the side. And I got a, you may or may not have to remove a few of the slats. This one was spaced out perfectly. We've got another one that we had to remove some of the slots to, some of the slats to have room to plant. I've got a pile of dirt over there. I'm going to amend it with some peat moss and compost, fill it in, and we'll be ready to plant strawberries.
Hi. I love strawberries.
Yeah, strawberries are yummy, huh?
Especially if they're homegrown. I'm gonna go see what that's what he is doing. Daddy is putting some dirt in there because this is our little good dirt pile.
So I'm just piling it into the wheelbarrow. I'm going to add some peat moss, some compost, some fertilizer, mix it all together, and throw it in the pallet. And that's what we're doing.
Yep. And I like playing in this dirt because it's good molding dirt.
Good molding dirt?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Like you can make sand castles because it like sticks.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna put some, is it cow poop?
Yeah.
Cow poop.
Right now. Man, this thing's wet, so it's kind of.
So flat. It's wet.
Yeah. Yeah, it rained a lot this week.
It's a big bag of dirt.
This isn't dirt. This is peat moss.
But it looks like dirt.
You know what it does?
What?
It helps the soil retain moisture, and obviously adds organic matter, which is good for
So
plants.
basically it keeps moisture?
It helps retain moisture. So
What does that mean?
when it rains or you water your plants, the dirt doesn't dry out as fast. It helps hold water in the soil so they could drink longer, and you don't have to water as often, and they don't get stressed as fast.
So,
It doesn't matter
so
right now.
powdery. It keeps getting everywhere.
It doesn't matter that much right now, but come July, it's really gonna be a big deal. Oh, kind of move that.
They're gonna dump the dirt into this.
Look at this stuff. Whew, that's some good stuff right there.
It's so fuzzy.
Yeah.
Dump it.
Oh, I think I just cracked one.
Break the pallet now.
There's a bunch of holes in the bottom. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Mama's doing the hard part. Farming. We're farming. We're farming.
So I'm using this handle here to make sure that all of the dirt is underneath the pallet slats. Make sure it's all filled in nicely. Gonna pack it down a little bit, and that way we can put some more dirt in here.
Huh? What is a worm? What is it? Yeah, I'm not holding that thing.
We'll give it to the chickies.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Yeah, I'll do it, baby. Look at that.
Roasted
Nice little
logs.
grub worm. Go.
Okay.
What you got, Mommy?
We have some strawberries here. I got 3 bundles of bare root strawberries. These are cardinal variety. And we got some herbs too. Some cilantro,
Cilantro.
parsley,
Can I smell? It smells good.
Oregano.
oregano.
It smells like dirt.
So, a few herbs and strawberries.
Okay. Let's get planting.
Yep. She's got to separate them.
Oh, there's a rubber band on them.
See, see.
There we go.
Yeah, they kept them in that bin of dirt at the store just to keep them moist. Yeah, when you plant these things, you got to make sure you don't plant them too shallow or too deep.
So,
You get them too shallow, you're going to have the roots exposed, and that'll dry them out. You get the crown, you bury the crown, and it's going to end up killing the strawberry. So you got to plant it to the soil line, right about there where my index finger is.
So one.
That's the crown.
So this is good.
Yeah.
Put some more dirt over here so we can kind of.
Yeah. I guess after we plant them, we can always just kind of grab
Is this more
handfuls.
than one or is it one?
I don't know.
Big one.
Jam my finger down there. It's not deep.
Yeah, you need some gloves. You're gonna get dirt on them.
That's okay. Dirt on your fingers never hurt.
Nope. So it's kind of like the onions.
Kind of like onions, yeah. Well, the onions, it doesn't matter. It's not as critical as the depth as the strawberries are.
Where's the next one go?
Just kind of a foot away.
Right here?
Maybe, yeah, right there's good.
Jam my finger in there.
Just kind of spread the root.
We planted our strawberries, and over here we got some more strawberries. We're gonna have a lot of strawberries, and I love strawberries. So, and then over here we have some cilantro
And some oregano.
and some oregano.
Yeah. And what are we going to plant there?
We got parsley too.
Oh yeah, parsley. Yeah,
What we're
that's right. That's
planting over
parsley right
here?
there.
We're gonna be adding some more herbs and some flowers.
Herbs and flowers. Yeah.
So these planter boxes made out of pallets are pretty easy to make, as you can see. It didn't take very long. It didn't cost very much. The pallets were free. All we really had to buy was the landscape fabric that goes underneath it and a little soil amendment, and that is all. We'll see how long these last. Hopefully at least one season, maybe 2.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I hope you learned some good stuff in this video. Bye.
got an intruder.
Where's your friend? Huh? Where's your friend?
I want to play with the piggy.